And here's the table like Arachnophobia. Sorry about that, folks. It blurred. And here's a table like Arachnophobia, and was put on December 19th, 1996. Yeah.
Coming from Touchstone Home Video.
America's 3 favorite bachelors are back. And this time, fatherhood's presenting some even bigger surprises.
What a crock.
Hey, where did you hear that expression?
What a crock. What'd they do?
Touchstone Pictures presents Tom Selleck, Steve Guttenberg, and Ted Danson.
Hey, turn it along. You're on.
3 men and a little lady.
How come none of you are married?
Rated PG.
Years ago, Larry Burroughs had the chance to win the state championship game. Since then, he's always wondered what his life would be like if he had only hit that ball. So he's going to show him.
Are you an angel or something?
Not exactly. Your life's been changed. This is your house, and Cindy Jo is your wife.
Is there anything else that's going to come as a shock?
Happy birthday, darling.
Mr. Destiny.
Films were one of the first Hollywood picture films ever made, so yeah.
And now for our feature presentation.